Well, we got a lot of sunshine today. Temperatures are going to climb rather quickly. 87 degrees from our DBU cam. This is looking really nice out, but we are looking at those temperatures climbing quickly. 99 degrees for the high today, all thanks to our southwest wind. We've got dry air in place, meaning we're not dealing with any kind of heat index. So it'll actually feel like the actual temperature. 100 degrees in Fort Worth, 100 in Mineral Wells, 102 in Granbury. And again, the drier air warms up a lot faster, and we have dry air in place across the area, which is why we're seeing these hot temperatures. Tomorrow, hot temperatures for a different reason. Most of the day is actually going to be cloudy, but we have this approaching cold front. Ahead of that front, we get what's called compressional warming, where air gets compressed and it warms naturally. So a few locations could very well make it to about 100 degrees in Denton and in Collin County. 97 for Dallas, 98 in Fort Worth, but a lot of mid-90s really across North Texas. On top of that, that front is also going to help bring in cooler air, but also the potential for rain. Friday afternoon, evening, we could see an isolated storm or two that contains up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and up to quarter-size hail. Very isolated threat. The threat is very low. It's a 1 out of 5, but it does include the Metroplex, so I wanted to give you a heads up on that. Here's what it'll look like tomorrow morning. Look at 7, cloudy. Mostly cloudy most of the day. That front approaches in the afternoon, so it's plenty of time for our temperatures to warm up. But once that front makes it into the area, it's going to interact with some tropical moisture. And what's going to happen is that we see a couple of thunderstorms taking shape in the late afternoon, evening into the overnight. The coverage will be pretty low for Friday, about 20%. But once we make it into the overnight hours and that front kind of clears North Texas, we'll see some of this lingering rain behind it. And this is now showing you Saturday morning around 5. That's about 30 to 40% coverage for us. Between 5 and 9, I'm thinking that rain will be pretty consistent. But after that, it starts to really decrease in coverage. And for Saturday afternoon, we're actually looking rain-free, and some of the cloud cover will even clear out. Another round of rain looking likely for us Sunday morning. So if you do have any Sunday morning plans, keep that in mind. And that rain really starts to shift towards our west and the southwest Sunday evening into the overnight hour. And we'll still keep a few lingering showers in the forecast for Monday. As far as our temperatures go, we're seeing a big drop. That's why I'm so excited about this front. We go from 99 degrees today to 79 degrees on Saturday for the high temperature, but Saturday morning will be in the mid 60s. So between this afternoon and Saturday morning, we're looking at about a 34-degree temperature drop, and it's all thanks to that front. So we'll be about 12 degrees cooler than normal, and we'll be about 11 degrees cooler than normal on Sunday, still benefiting from that cold front on Monday. And our rain coverage, again, 30 to 40% looking likely for this weekend. These coverage rain chances could go up here in the next couple of days because of the tropics. And I do want to give you a quick update because there's now an 80% chance of development in the Atlantic. That's not something that we need to worry about right now. We're actually going to be watching the eastern Pacific because we've got 2 named storms. One is Hurricane Kiko heading towards the Hawaiian Islands. The other one is now Tropical Storm Lorena, and that's some of that moisture that could get tapped or trapped in our cold front that could help increase our rain coverage for late this weekend into early parts of next week. But that's kind of a wait and see what that system does before we really increase our rain chances. Otherwise, we're looking at low 90s towards the middle part of September.